Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's Eugene! Your own raises you up. Give me that. It's your belly! Look away. Where's Ricky? 3, 2, 1. Y'all can see. Oh my god, look at these Eugene. I don't feel this one. I'm scared, I'm scared. 3, 2, 1. That is so cute. Terry's signature is so cute, bro. It's a shark. So y'all get to see. That's Zhang Hao. That's Zhang Hao. That's Zhang Hao? Not really. I don't think I will ever pull Zhang Hao. Who's that? Okay, I don't know. Gongwook, please. Gongwook never comes out of my albums. If it's Eugene, go back in the box. 3, 2, 1. I'll get out of my wish list. Stay away from me. Hello, everyone. It is. I'm sick, guys. Sorry, my bad. It is another day of this week. This is gonna become a short vlog at this point because I have random clips of each day. My lips are chapped, so they're looking kind of plain right now. Well, it's raining here in Cali. It's actually really nice. This is a lot of rain. Because of it though, and it's so called as the storm right now, my campus got shut down for classes and they don't recommend anybody showing up to class. So understandable. This is what I'm doing, making charms right now. Yep.